Most people have absolutely no idea these apps even exist. Right now, I'm driving around doing weird missions inside stores. Today's tasks include taking pictures of car batteries, fruits and vegetables, and honey. And honestly, it's fun. It kind of feels like a video game. So, if you're new to this world, there's actually apps that send regular people into stores to do random retail tasks. Stuff like checking displays, talking to employees, taking shelf photos, and finding products. Some are super easy and some are weirdly stressful. And some make you question what company desperately needs 20 pictures of ketchup. Today, I'm going to run a couple of these weird apps and show you what this actually looks like in the real world. Mission number one, car batteries. This is a popular gig on the Field Agent app, and it's going to send you to O'Reilly's, Pep Boys, AutoZone, and even like Walmart to find car products. So like this one is for the car batteries and accessories. So all you have to do is take a picture of the shelf of car batteries and accessories. There's another one that's for automotive fluids. It's a little harder, but they're both really easy. But today we're doing the car batteries. So I'm walking into the store, and this is in real time, not sped up. Not all of them are this easy, but this one is. So you're gonna walk in and then go to the back of the store where the car batteries are. There's like a display on the wall, and you're gonna take a picture of each 4-foot section of straight pictures, and then look if there's any displays. Usually there might be a car battery display, so it's literally like 3 or 4 pictures. Just walk in, walk out. Super easy, really good gig to start my day with. And the good thing about this is when they drop, they'll be at every O'Reilly's, every AutoZone. And where I live, there's one of those places on every corner, so you could reserve like 5 or 10 of these and do them all really quickly. A lot of questions that I get asked is what do you do if staff looks at you weird or asks you what you're doing? Usually I'll just say, for this example, I'll say my boss sent me here to see which one's cheaper, AutoZone or Advanced Autos, and I'm like, my boss is cheap.
Hey, what's up, boss? I'm good. I'm just doing some research. Okay, thank you.
And then they always laugh, and that always works. Or I'll just say, like, my dad's in the car and he wanted me to see what you had. I'm just on FaceTime. So don't really worry. It may feel really weird at first, but once you've done it for a while, you'll know exactly what to say and exactly what to do to avoid these awkward situations. All right, so now I'm looking to reserve my next gig, and you'll notice if you use the Field Agent app specifically, every time you try to reserve a gig, it says gig is unavailable. This is because this app is getting increasingly more popular and a lot of other people are trying to do these, and it's first come, first serve. So if you reserve the gig before me, then the money's going in your pocket and not mine. So the really easy trick is just refresh a lot, and then eventually it'll be busy enough so they can't all be reserved, and you could get like 10 or 15 reserved like I did today. So the next one is going to be at Publix. So now at Publix, I'm doing 2 different gigs. I have a produce one, which is like apples and bananas, which is super weird and awkward because everybody's shopping is like gonna have to touch all the bananas, touch all the apples just to make sure that they're good. And a lot of people could be in your way. The next app is for Moby. This one's a little bit different, same type of thing, but I have to go check up on the honey. Moby pays in gift cards, but Field Agent pays in cash. But you could cash out the Moby gift cards to at pretty much any place, including Target, and my wife is good at spending the Target gift cards. So here I am at Publix. This is the closest Publix to my house, actually, so I do not want to get banned from here for taking pictures, so I'm going to be really discreet. So now I'm doing the produce one. It's going to ask you apples, bananas, peppers. All you have to do is take a picture of each 4-foot section. It does get kind of frustrating because there are a lot of different stuff like cucumbers, peppers, apples, non-organic apples, stuff like that. And like I said, a lot of people are going to be in your way. So I got that gig done. And then now I am going to the next one, which is really good is when you find out about all of these apps. So a lot of times there'll be 2 or 3 apps that have gigs at the same store. So instead of just driving to the store just to do one, you're doing a couple different apps, and then it could really start to add up as a side hustle. So this one is kind of hard, kind of tedious, and probably not worth it for the $3 worth of gift card that it pays, but I do it anyway because it's fun. And the thing is, at Publix, it's more than 20 products. You have to take a picture and scan literally 20 different honey products. But at Aldi's, Family Dollar, CVS, they'll only have like 2 or 3. So this one is worth it in that case. But I'm doing it at Publix because I was here anyway. So you take a picture of the whole shelf and then you take a picture of one product on the shelf with the shelf tag visible, and then you scan the back and then you put it back. So I got this down. I've done so many of these that I'm like a machine, picture scan, picture scan, picture scan. Just make sure that you don't scan the wrong barcode. There's like a QR code sometimes, and I've done that and got it denied before. So it took about like 10, 15 minutes. It gets really frustrating towards the end. You don't know how many you have left. And then I finally got it done. So there we go. I did 2 gigs at this store. So there we go, 2 gigs done at this store. So it may not seem like a lot, but when it's really busy, you could stack these up. So if you compare it to like doing DoorDash or Uber Eats, it's about the same that you could expect to be earning, which really isn't that much, but I think it's a fun side hustle. I think it's fun being your own boss. And if you want to download the apps that I talked about in this video, check out the link down below.